Hi everyone, this is the demo video for the tool LLM2FedLLM. Here is a short description of the tool. In current literature, the studies that approach code tasks in collaborative way using federated learning usually require complex steps and involve heavy rewrites in order to adapt to newer models and parameters. Our tools aims to simplify this process and help researchers run experiments in a simple and controlled way. Now let's go into the usage of our tool. You can head over to our GitHub and in order to set up the tool in the local, clone our repository, cd into the directory, create a new environment or use a previous environment and install the required modules. Once that is done, you can head over to Hugging Face, get your access token and place it in .env file. You can modify fedconfig.py and llmconfig.py in order to set desired configuration for federated learning and LLM fine-tuning. In order to use the dataset used in the paper and reproduce the results, you can unzip datasets.zip and use the datasets in that folder. And here are some precautions before running the scripts. Make sure that you get a snapshot of the output directory after every successful run in order to prevent result loss. And make sure you use a clean output directory if you want to start fresh. Now, in order to run the central training script, you can run python 3 central.py. In order to use base model evaluation, you can run python 3 fed0.py. In order to run end-round federation, you can edit the necessary configurations in fedconfig.py and run the script python 3 fedn.py. You can also run fedn best evaluation and fedn client evaluation by changing the configurations in fedconfig.py. Now let's head over to the demo. Here I have cloned the repository into my local directory and let me just activate the environment. Once I'm in the necessary environment, you can install the required modules. Once that is done, you can place your Hugging Face token in .env file. I already have the token. You can cd into the experiments directory. And here I'm planning to use the dataset which was used in the paper. In order to do that, I can unzip the datasets.zip. And we have successfully set up the experiment. Now let's run the central training. In order to run central training, you can run the command python 3 central.py. As you can see, the experiment has begun. Now this usually takes a lot of hours to train and evaluate. So now let's quickly head over to the results. Here I have the results for 1 billion llama, and here is the evaluation over the metrics, and here is the sample log of how the script runs. And here is an example of expected generation versus the generation that the model actually generated. And this can be done over Fed0, Fedn, Fedbest, and also for individual clients. Yeah. And This concludes the demonstration. Thank you.